What is up, y'all? It's Austin the Great 4 once again. I'm out here driving a Sonic because my truck is still not back yet, but I'm going to try to do a little sliding with the Sonic tonight and see how that goes. And if that doesn't go so well, then I'll just show you how it goes in automatic. So let's go. Just on my way home from work. As in what the dealership told me about my truck was when they manufactured my truck, they put the wrong type of speakers in it that goes with the radio. So since the radio has the wrong type of speakers, it doesn't work properly, which is kind of outrageous, but that's what happens when you don't do it properly and you just produce cars like crazy out. Okay, here we go. It ain't slide how I wanted it to. It slides better on wet pavement. I guess all cars slide better on wet pavement. I'll try it again right here down this hill. And if it doesn't do that, I'm going to switch over to... Let's see, cars are coming. Nope, here we go. Oh, damn, here comes the car. Oh, shit, it's a cop. No, it ain't no cop. I had the traction control on. That's the reason why I wasn't sliding so well either. Might have to go on a back road to go do it real quick. But Jeff Weiler told me when I bring the car back, I gotta make sure it has the same amount of gas they gave me, which was half a tank. And as you can see, it's a push start, so you can't put the key in to tell how much gas you get in it. So that's where they get you. It's gonna have to fill the car up maybe. If not, then I'm not gonna fill it up and I'm just gonna let it go. But I won't put you back down. Alright. Passing my old work. Hate that place. Screwed me over so much. Had me on a part-time salary working full-time. Woo! I smell some rubber. But that's basically all. I didn't get good slides like I did because when I did it earlier, it was right after it rained. So the car was sliding like it was no other. Which I'm sad it's not sliding like it was, but it's alright, I guess. But one thing is, if this video gets 1,000 views and 100 likes, I'll try to do a burnout with Colorado when I get it back. They're expecting me to get it tomorrow. I don't know yet. But they had to put brand new radios, brand new speakers, brand new wiring in it, as he told me. And supposed to get it today, but the other speaker didn't show up. Which pissed me off. but I guess just how it goes. And give a good old kick right here. Close your door. Good Lord, people with their doors open while you're trying to drive. Like, come on now, I don't want to take off your door. But come on. Alright, here we go. Dropping gear 1. In manual is where you get the best turbo out of it, in my opinion. But that's gonna be all for this video. I'll see you guys later, and I'll post another video next week.